right, guys, here's a new video series that I'm going to be doing here on the channel with my 2008 BMW 335i. I've owned this for 8 years now, 158,000 miles. It would definitely be well in the 200,000 mile range, but I've been working from home here for the last about 3.5 years, so I hardly do drive it like I used to drive it before, like when I first owned it. So I actually racked up the miles pretty quickly on that. But there's not to say that it still needs, any kind of additional maintenance. So this video series that I'm going to be doing here, I'm going to be really refreshing a lot of stuff, and it's going to be just inside and out. We got some maintenance stuff we're going to be doing. We got some outside body stuff to do, interior stuff underneath. We're going to do it full end to end, just a nice little refresh, right? It's a 2008 car, it's fairly old, and it needs some TLC, don't get me wrong. And this series is just going to be on my 335i. It will not be on the M5. The M5 is obviously newer, being 2016. So we're just going to focus on that. To kick off this series with it, what better way to introduce some new stuff here to the channel that's going to be geared towards additional DIYs for you guys on this platform, on the N54, but also help us along the way of doing some of these maintenance things and just to really refresh it up. So without further ado, move them here with my feet. I'm happy that they finally arrived. Here we go. I finally went with the Quickjack Setup, finally, to really get away from doing the whole traditional jack stuff. So we got a Quickjack setup here. This is the SLX one, so it's a little bit longer than the normal standard one. And of course, it comes with everything that you need here. I'm starting to get it all connected up. I got traditional hoses, but I'm really looking forward to getting the Quickjack all set up, ready to go. Pads we need to finish up and refresh out. O2 sensors, so I'll be showing you guys the DIY on the rear O2 sensors. I already have the primaries here on the channel, but we'll get the rears all set up. The Quickjack will make it so much easier to do so for this platform, of course. But I'm just excited that I finally went with it, so that way we can do a little bit more DIYs on the 335i. So I'm excited, guys. I'm sure you probably are as well. Not just focusing on any kind of maintenance stuff, but like I said, interior, engine stuff, exterior paint. We're gonna refresh it up a little bit, get it where it really should be and stuff like that. Lots of great stuff to come here. Wanted to kick it off for you guys, so we're gonna be hitting this pretty heavy for the 335i. So like I said, excited enough to get this going, get this Quickjacks under the 335i, and start pumping out some great overall videos for you guys and take you along for the ride of really kind of refreshing my 335i, getting it to where it really needs to be. All right, well, that does it here for today on this video. Stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna kick it off, doing some stuff. Once I gotta get the Quickjacks all set up, ready to go, and then we'll be rocking and rolling. Well, I appreciate all the support here on the channel. Wouldn't be here without you guys. A long road and almost at the 100,000 subscriber mark, which is amazing. Couldn't thank you enough. Staying tuned in for the channel and really do appreciate your support here. So thanks again. Big thumbs up on this video. Stay tuned for the video series. Subscribe to the channel, of course, if you haven't already. Thanks again if you're a returning subscriber, and we will be chatting here very soon. Thanks, guys. Have a great weekend. Take care.